Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TYHT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, especially that opening 30 minutes. But biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while, so a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above $3.25, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the broad scope of things perspective, if you're just interested in more so kind of the general health of the bulls, easiest way to look at all that is that as long as the price remains above that purple line, as the purple line increases, then the bulls are in full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, you want to see the price stay above $3.25, but as long as the price is above that purple line from the big picture, then the trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance, so shorter term one going into next week right there at $3.65. And then after that, things space out quite a bit. Am I saying that a 365 is broken? It's shooting straight up to 440. I'm not saying that. But technically speaking, not really any other potential roadblocks at that point in time. So that'll be potentially a nice, interesting break right there. But most important thing, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.